When was the last time you really stopped and thought about what matters to you? Because here's the thing, your values are the foundation for everything you do, from the decisions you make to the way you show up for your team, your clients, and your community. And if you don't know what you stand for, how can you expect others to follow? Hey there, I'm Jen Kem, founder of the Master Brand Institute, and today's video is one I feel deeply connected to. We're talking about values determination, something that shapes not only your brand, but honestly, your entire life. In today's video, I'm gonna help you get crystal clear on what your values are and why they're so powerful in building a meaningful, purpose-driven brand. This content is pulled straight from my unique message model inside of my program called The Messenger, so I know you're gonna get a lot of value from it. Building a brand isn't just about flashy logos or catchy slogans. It's about making sure that every move you make is aligned with what matters most to you. And here's the kicker. When you get clear on your values, you stop chasing things that don't serve you. Values aren't just words on a website or things we think about or that we should care about. They are the guiding principles that shape every choice we make. And when we align our business with those values, we start to attract the right people, the right clients, and the right opportunities. It's a magnet for authentic success. Your values are your power source. They're the foundation of every decision you make. When you're crystal clear on your values, you don't just show up. You show up with purpose, with power, and with confidence. And here's why that matters. Number one, clarity. When you know what you stand for, decision-making becomes easier. We're all in decision fatigue, right? So you'll no longer be pulled in 100 different directions because you'll know exactly where you're headed and why you're headed there. Next is alignment. Your values act as a compass. They help you stay aligned with your purpose and mission, even when things get tough, and they will get tough, so you need them. Connection. When you share your values with the world, you attract people who believe in the same things. They trust you, and trust is the most important currency that you can develop with your audience. They will start to really follow you and believe in you, and that's how you build a brand that stands the test of time. So now, how do you actually identify these core values? I know this can feel like a big, intimidating question, but don't worry, I've got a simple process to guide you through it. Take a moment to think about the times in your life when you felt most fulfilled, proud, or at peace. What was happening in those moments? What were you actually doing? Tap into your all five senses as you're thinking about that. And most importantly, why did those moments matter to you at all? Once you've reflected on those experiences, write down the words or feelings that come up. These are often clues to your values. Maybe it's integrity, freedom, creativity, or community. Whatever it is, own it. There's no right or wrong answer. What matters is that they are really authentic to you and they're not coming from someone else. Now that you have a clearer sense of what your values are, it's time to bring them into your brand. Ask yourself, how can these values show up in my messaging? In the way I work with clients? In the culture I create for my team, however big it is? For example, if community is one of your core values, how can you foster a deeper sense of belonging among your audience? If creativity is important to you, how can you use that to inspire others? Because when your brand and your values are fully aligned, you actually move differently. You make bolder decisions. You stop second-guessing yourself, and you start attracting the right people and opportunities. It's like having a secret weapon that keeps you focused. Now, here's where it gets exciting. I want you to take action today. No distractions, just you and your thoughts and a notebook where you're gonna write down what truly matters to you. I promise this will change the way you approach everything from marketing to decision making. Because once you get clear on your values, everything else will fall into place. I wanna leave you with a couple of resources to help you take this work further. First, I've got another video lined up that goes deeper into how to live and lead with your values. It's full of practical tips you can start using right away. And second, take our Brand Archetype quiz. There's a link right below this video. It's a fun and insightful way to figure out how your values play into your brand personality. And trust me, you'll be amazed at what you discover about yourself. If today's video sparks something in you, hit that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a moment. Remember, I'm here to help you live your values, lead with purpose, and build the kind of success that feels good from the inside out. Until next time, take care and stay true to yourself.